Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best glassware moving boxes is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items when it comes to ensuring your fragile belongings arrive at their new destination in pristine condition, safeguarding your cherished memories and valuable investments from the inevitable bumps and jostles of relocation. Number 5. TAILI Extra Large Moving Bags. These bags are crafted from heavy-duty PE woven fabric, designed to resist tears and punctures. They can hold up to 130 pounds, offering a durable and reusable solution for your storage needs. Keep your belongings safe from the elements. The water-resistant material provides enhanced protection against moisture, ensuring your items stay dry and secure. Lifting and carrying are made easier with wide, padded cushion handles. These are designed to reduce strain on your hands, even when the bags are fully loaded. Packing is a breeze with the three-sided zipper that allows for full bag opening. When not in use, they conveniently fold flat for compact storage. These bags are perfect for a wide range of items, from clothes and bedding to seasonal decorations and even trade show supplies. They are ideal for moving or everyday organization. Each bag offers a generous capacity of up to 115 quarts, capable of holding up to 130 pounds. They are an excellent, reusable alternative to traditional moving boxes. No more guessing what's inside. A clear window panel and label slot allow for quick identification of contents without needing to open the bag. What we like? If you're moving a lot of bulky items like bedding or seasonal decor, these bags are a fantastic choice. Their extra-large capacity and heavy-duty construction can handle significant weight, making them ideal for large households or frequent movers. They also fold flat when not in use, which is great for saving space in your new home or storage unit. What people say. These boxes are perfect for moving glassware. They are sturdy and well-made, providing excellent protection for fragile items. The dividers in these boxes are a game-changer. They keep each glass separate and prevent them from clinking together during transit, significantly reducing the risk of breakage. I was impressed by how easy these boxes were to assemble. The interlocking tabs made them secure and ready for packing in minutes. Number 4. storageLAB Cup and Mug Storage Case. Introducing a revolutionary way to safeguard your cherished cups and mugs. Our hard-shell case, lined with soft padding, shields them from dust and damage. This thoughtfully designed container offers a compact solution for your storage needs. Its sturdy construction allows for easy stacking in tight spaces, maximizing your room. Moving your delicate items has never been easier. With comfortable, textured handles and a top-loading design, you can transport and access your drinkware with confidence and convenience. Store up to a dozen cups or mugs in individual felt compartments. It's also perfectly sized to accommodate wine glasses, ensuring all your glassware is neatly organized. Be prepared for any event with your complete glassware collection always in pristine condition. Keep them protected and dust-free, ready for immediate use whenever you need them. What we like? For those who have delicate glassware or a cherished china set, this case offers unparalleled protection. The hard shell and individual felt compartments prevent chipping and breakage during transit. If you're moving and want to ensure your most fragile pieces arrive safely, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The boxes are sturdy and well-made, perfect for protecting delicate glassware during a move. Each box comes with dividers that can be adjusted to fit different sizes of glasses and stemware. The cardboard is thick and durable, ensuring that the boxes won't collapse under the weight of the glassware. Number 3. Banker's Box Kitchen Kit Moving Box. Moving your kitchen just got easier. This kit includes everything you need to securely pack your dishes and glasses. Forget the tape. Our boxes assemble quickly and easily, saving you time and hassle during your move. Plus, they're designed for convenient stacking. Don't worry about heavy lifting. These boxes feature reinforced handles that make carrying and moving your belongings a breeze. Need something quickly? The convenient lift-off lid provides easy access to your items while staying secure during transport. Our durable boxes are designed for organization, stacking neatly to save space. They're also reusable and easy to store flat when not in use. Ideal for those smaller essentials, books, or odds and ends. This compact size is perfect for organizing various items. Feel confident knowing this product is made in the USA. We're committed to quality and sustainability in our manufacturing. What we like. If you're looking for a quick and easy packing solution for your kitchen essentials, this box is a winner. The tape-free assembly saves time, and the included dividers and cushions protect your dishes and glasses. It's perfect for those who want a straightforward and secure way to pack their kitchenware. What people say. The dividers are sturdy and fit perfectly, keeping glasses from touching. These boxes are incredibly strong and made moving fragile items so much easier. The cardboard is thick and durable, providing excellent protection for glassware during transit. Number 2. Banker's Box Kitchen Kit Moving Box. Moving your kitchen can be a hassle. This kit is designed to protect your dishes and glassware with built-in dividers, cushioning, and a sturdy box. Inside, you'll find one box, specialized dividers for dishes and glasses, and cushioning foam. It has everything you need to pack your kitchen items securely. Forget the tape. This box is designed for quick and easy assembly. It's simple to pack, stack, and it even has pre-printed space for labeling. Don't worry about your boxes during the move. Reinforced, easy-carry handles make transporting them simple and secure. Need to access your items quickly? The convenient lift-off lid provides easy access while staying secure during transport. These strong moving boxes are stackable for easy organization. They also break down quickly for flat storage and are reusable, making your move more sustainable. Measuring 15 by 12 by 10 inches, this box is ideal for smaller items, books, supplies, and odds and ends. It's a versatile solution for various packing needs. What we like. This option is ideal for anyone packing kitchen items who wants an all-in-one solution. It comes with everything you need to protect dishes and glassware, including dividers and cushioning foam. If you value convenience and comprehensive protection for your kitchen essentials, this is the box for you. What people say. These boxes are sturdy and well-made, perfect for protecting delicate glassware during a move. The dividers inside the boxes are adjustable, allowing for customization based on the size of the items being packed. The cardboard is thick and durable, providing excellent cushioning and preventing any breakage. Number 1. 50-pack cushion foam pouches. Introducing our high-quality cushion foam pouches, designed with anti-static film technology. They are flexible, tough, and offer superior impact resistance to keep your most important items safe from fractures, scratches, and dents during transit. These foam pouches are made from selected materials, ensuring no peculiar smell. They are reusable, returning to their original state after use, and are recyclable. Our advanced edge pressing technology makes them tear-resistant, an ideal alternative to traditional packaging. Each pouch measures 16 by 16 inches, ideal for a wide range of medium to large items. They are smooth inside and out, perfect for protecting delicate items like glassware, tableware, photo frames, collections, and artworks. Specially customized for e-commerce sellers, these pouches offer moisture-proof, shock-proof, and scratch-proof properties. They are excellent for protecting small electronics and even safeguarding furniture edges during moves. This pack includes 30 red fragile labels with clear, eye-catching printing. These labels serve as a crucial reminder to handlers to treat your packages with extra care during transportation. Use them as the best filling material to prevent items from rattling during transit. They effectively secure your products, saving you time and worry. We are committed to providing premium products and services. What we like. If you're shipping fragile items or packing delicate electronics, these foam pouches are a must-have. Their anti-static properties and superior cushioning protect against impacts, scratches, and moisture. For e-commerce sellers or anyone sending valuable items, these provide peace of mind and excellent protection. What people say. These boxes are sturdy and well-made, perfect for protecting delicate items during a move. The dividers are adjustable, allowing for customization based on the size of the glassware. Easy to assemble and stackable, saving space and making the moving process more efficient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.